Agukis kami manin. In English and boxing. Agukis kami ti. Oh, guess what? Danto ti pulpulan me. Pool. Jai, nilakay ko. Nag-prepare this crew. The table arrived tomorrow. The table, we put it in the center. Right, Jasper? Yeah, mama. So, the stick, we're going to put it over there. Wow. Perfect. Kailangan pa nga i-level mo talaga lakay. Naka-arte ka. Pag-scroll lang nga po, kailangan pa nga i-level mo lakay. Yeah, good din. What is that?
This is what holds the sticks.
Hold sticks. Dati, ano ito eh? It looks like wine. Ooh. This one? Here? Wow, okay. What? Wow. Love it. Ay, no. Bayara, maburangit pa rin natin. Sige. What are you eating? What is that? Screw? My goodness. And teach me how to doggy. Right, Jasper? Yeah, mama. Pintas na eh. Oh, di ba? Oh, ha? Pintas. Wala ni Jasper. Wala ni Jasper. Tan, taran, tan, tan. Tarararara. Atoy. Ay, kasi yun na eh. Kasi yan. Dapat i-brush na. Brush. Pagdalos. Tapos, dapat i-brush. Nga duwa. Mga pala sa pag-brush ni Jasper, di gito eh. Siguro di gito yung bukal-bukal di gito eh. There you go. One down.
Oh, I like that. That's my stick.
Mine is the red one. This one.
This is mine. Blue and white.
Mine is red. With orange. Yay! Perfect. Wow. Love it. Woo-hoo.
Straighten out. Okay.
What is that?
The dice.
Dice.
Yeah, for tournament play. Tell you what.
I thought for the wine.
No, just to see what position you are.
Oh.
You have a tournament.
Oh.
Yeah. table, it's chalk.
What is that?
It's just pool chalk for your
Okay.
tip. So we'll prep all the tips, but
Okay.
this will go on the pool table once we get it.
Okay. Oh, that's the ball.
Yeah, the pool table comes with them, but these are probably going to be a way nicer set than those.
Wow.
Yeah.